Hi guys, so just when I thought I was done with the review of the Soundcore R50i, Soundcore came out slamming the door with the all-new Soundcore R50i Noise Cancellation, and this new version brings about refreshed design and amazing features. And in my previous review of the Soundcore R50i, I received a lot of comments from users complaining about the poor quality of the mic, so the Soundcore fixed that. This is my honest review of the Soundcore R50i Noise Cancellation. The question is, do they deliver? You'll get to find out very soon. And if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest tech reviews. Let's get started, guys. Welcome to All Round Review. It's Mr. Roy here. So first, let's do a quick unboxing to show you what to expect in the box. The packaging is similar to the original R50i, simple yet elegant with a clean design that highlights the key features of the earbuds. Opening the box, the first thing you'll see is the neatly placed charging case and the extra ear tips. Underneath, you'll find the earbuds along with two pairs of extra tips in large and small sizes, a USB-C charging cable and a user manual. It's always great to see multiple ear tip sizes included, ensuring a better fit for different ear shapes, which also enhances noise cancellation effectiveness. However, note that the Soundcore R50i doesn't include the ribbon for easy grip as seen with the R50i. Now let's talk about the design and build quality of the Soundcore R50i NC. Starting with the charging case, it comes in a rectangular shape, and once again we are dealing with a slightly larger case. While it might not fit well in smaller pockets, it's still relatively compact. One unique feature is the built-in phone stand, perfect for watching videos hands-free, which is great for people who watch content on the go. You can even use the phone stand without removing the earbuds from the case. The case has a matte finish which feels premium and resists fingerprints. However, one issue persists: the case is prone to scratches. Tiny lines appear due to frictions with hard surfaces. Something I also noticed with the original R50i, and unfortunately the problem remains. If you dislike the clapping sound when closing a charging case, you are in for the treat because the Soundcore R50i NC case closes with minimal noise. As for the earbuds, they are sleek with a minimal design that looks modern. They are small and lightweight, making them comfortable to wear for extended periods. The stem is about the size of the top of my pinky finger. However, there is no light indicator on the buds to show you when they are searching for a device or charging. The earbuds have an IP54 rating, meaning they are resistant to dust, sweat, and light rain. I wore them for hours without discomfort. Overall, the build and design are impressive, apart from the missing light indicator. Soundcore ticked most of the boxes here. Now let's move on to the features. If you are still watching, give this video a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed. This earbud comes packed with a lot of functionalities that you typically find in higher end models. It will take a lot of time explaining these features, but let's talk about the main features of the Soundcore R50i. But what do you know about adaptive noise cancellation? Before I talk about that, some of the features of the R50i NC are long battery life of up to 10 hours of playback time, with additional 35 hours with the case according to Soundcore, an IP54 rating, Bluetooth 5.4, phone stand, and 10mm drivers with BassUp technology, with 22 EQ presets and 4 mics. Back to adaptive noise cancellation. The Anker Soundcore R50i NC uses ANC technology that automatically adjusts based on your surroundings. The system detects ambient noise via external microphones and optimizes this noise reduction, giving you a personalized experience. The adaptive ANC can reduce background noise up to 42 dB, perfect for enhancing your music, podcast, or calls without manual adjustments. How does all this stack up when it comes to sound quality? Let's find out. To get the best experience, you need the Soundcore app. What's good about it? The Soundcore app is a great companion for the R50i NC earbuds. It's one of the best audio apps I've used. Through the app, you can monitor the battery level, switch between different ambient sound modes, and adjust noise cancellation settings. There are 3 ANC modes. Adaptive ANC is my favorite since its convenience in areas where you might need to have a quick conversation without manually toggling transparency mode. The app offers 22 custom EQ presets and the ability to create your own. The default EQ is ideal for a balanced sound. One feature I found useless though is the 3D surround sound option. It completely distorts your music and I recommend leaving it off. The app also allows you to customize the touch controls for each earbuds. By default, single tap is disabled but can be assigned to any function. Though there is no gaming mode, the app lets you turn off touch tones and low battery notifications. Using the app, you can connect up to 2 Bluetooth devices and set up auto power off. Battery life is another area where the R50i NC excels. Although there is no way to directly measure the charging case battery percentage, the usage time speaks for itself. On a single charge, you can get up to 10 hours of playback time. I've used them for hours without charging the earbuds, and the charging case provides an additional 35 hours of battery life, so you can go several days without needing to recharge. The case charges via USB-C, which ensures faster and more reliable charging. There is a blinking green LED while charging, which turns static when the case is full. The light turns white while charging the earbuds. How does all this stack up when it comes to sound quality? Let's find out, and if you are finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit that button. If you have used the Soundcore R50i, you probably noticed how bass heavy it is, often overpowering the mids and the treble. Soundcore seems to have addressed that issue. Maybe they saw my review. The R50i NC still delivers solid bass, but it no longer dominates the mids and treble. The earbuds are also quite loud thanks to the 10mm drivers and Soundcore BassUp technology. I tested various genres of music to assess clarity, and I'm very satisfied with the sound quality. The bass is punchy and powerful, making electronic, hip-hop and pop tracks sound fantastic. If you are not a fan of thumpy bass, you can adjust the equalizer via the Soundcore app. Even without the app, the default sound quality is excellent for the price. Additionally, the sound stage is quite good, providing a spacious audio experience where you can distinguish between different instruments. The imaging is also impressive, letting you pinpoint the location of various sounds. The overall sound profile is well balanced, with a slight emphasis on the bass, making this earbud versatile for different genres. Whether you are a bass lover or prefer a more balanced sound, the R50i NC can cater your needs. I've seen your comments on my previous Soundcore R50i review where many of you mentioned the poor mic quality. While this isn't the best mic in the world, it's probably an upgrade. The R50i NC comes with 4 AI-enabled microphones for improved clarity.
So guys, this is mic test using the R50i NC, and again, I'm still not satisfied with the mic because I'm sounding robotic. I did this test in a quiet environment. I'm not even thinking of anything like noise cancellation here, but it's way better than what we saw in the R50i. So tell me your thoughts. Will you give it
So
a
guys,
pass
that is a
or
snippet
is
of
it
the
no for
mic
you?
test. It's not perfect, but probably a step up from the original R50i. If you own the R50i NC, share your mic experience in the comments below. One of the best selling points of the R50i NC is the price. This earbud pack-in features typically found in superior models but remain at a budget-friendly price point. For just about $40, they offer excellent value, especially considering the active noise cancellation, sound quality and customizable features through the Soundcore app. It's a fantastic deal for music lovers. So guys, are the Anker Soundcore R50i NC earbuds worth it? Absolutely. For the price, they deliver solid value. The sound quality is excellent, although the bass might be a bit much for some, but still feels like an upgrade. The battery life is outstanding and the design is both sleek and lightweight. Would I spend a few bucks on these earbuds? Absolutely yes. They are a perfect steal. Just make sure to download the Soundcore app to unlock their full potential. And that's it for today's reviews guys. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And in case I miss anything or you have any question, you can use the comment section below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. It's Mr. Roy here. Bye.